Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I am super stoked because today we are fishing Lake of the Woods. As you guys can see, we got a pretty good overcast here today. Lots of wind, rain here and there. We had a couple of cold nights already. That means that the bait fish are gonna start pushing shallow and the bass follow right behind it. And not just the bass, the pike, the walleye, pretty much everything. I'm super stoked because it's been a hot minute since I brought my kayak out. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what we can catch. It's the beginning of fall, so fishing should start becoming really good again. And we're gonna be targeting structure, rocks, points, and main lake humps. So I'm gonna stop talking because I just want to catch some fish. Let's do it. Well, we tied up some of our favorite bass baits, and that's what we're gonna start with. Nice and shallow jerk bait, spinner bait. Those are two baits that usually work very well for me, so that's what we're gonna start with. We finally made it to the spot. We had to pedal quite a bit because fishing all the local honey holes, most likely you're not gonna catch much. But yeah, sun is starting to come out, and I'm hoping that the rain stopped for good. We're getting into some windier, wavier conditions here, so which is perfect. Let's see what we can catch. Starting off with the jerk bait. After these hot summer months, where the fish were all deeper, now they're all coming back shallow, and here you go, first bass. Not a big one, but hey, we got him, right? It's always fun to come out, catch a couple bass. Like, that's a fun fish. Even if they're not big, they are so fun to catch. My favorite time to fish has to be spring and fall because fish are shallow, aggressive, fat, hungry. It's just such a great time to get outdoors. Got a pretty nice hump here, right in the middle of the lake. Let's see if you can catch anything. Fish on. Another smallie, like tiny. We need to get out of these rocks. There you go, another one. Another small one. They're just stacked up in here. Flip them in. Sure we can turn up something bigger yet, but this is what we've been catching. Like a nice 3-4 pounder would be great. The weather's shifting so quick today. Keep getting rain, sunshine. It's like the weather can't make up its mind. But it's a really good time to be out on the lake fishing. There's another rainstorm coming. Really hope I'm not gonna get hit too bad with it. Oh, I need to go find myself some shelter. Well guys, I'm just gonna hide under here, under this big rock. Hopefully the rain is gonna stop somewhat, and then we can get back to fishing. For now, Probably gonna wait it out a bit. Alright, well, we just had a nice rainstorm come through again. And now it's pretty calm, so let's try to catch a few more bass. Got a nice little hump here. And the jerkbait has been catching pretty good today, so let's keep going with that. Ooh, that was a bass, but he missed it. Completely. That was cool. Got him. Nice. Yes. All right, on the jerkbait again. Like, so much better already. They're getting fatter, so that was awesome. Let's let this fish back and hopefully catch another one. After catching a bunch of smaller ones, that is so fun. Sun is starting to go down. Hopefully the big ones are gonna show up now. You know, it's fun to just go out for an evening session like that. Catch a couple bass. Well, there's a massive rainstorm coming, so I gotta get off the lake. But I had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'm pretty happy that I was able to get out, catch a couple bass. But yeah, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.